Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Kesherwani. Today I will describe the Bohr's atomic model. As you know, in the earlier various atomic model has been given, like as Thomson atomic model, Rutherford atomic model, and Bohr's atomic model, and so on. But now we will discuss about the Bohr's atomic model. This atomic model was given by Niels Bohr. Given by Niels Bohr in 1913. Actually, the Bohr's atomic model was based on Planck's quantum theory. It is based on Planck's quantum theory. Planck's quantum theory. After the failed of the Rutherford atomic model, Bohr, which is a students of Rutherford, gave some postulates regarding with its atomic model. What is the postulates of Bohr's atomic model? He given 5 postulates. Number 1, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a fixed circular path called as orbit. Means electron revolve around a nucleus in a fixed circular path called as orbit. Means this is a nucleus, and around the nucleus electrons follow in a circular path, and this circular path is called orbit. This is nucleus. This is the first postulates of the Bohr's atomic model. Now the second postulates. According to Bohr's, in an atom there is n number of orbits around the nucleus which have a fixed amount of energy. They are called main energy cell. Like this is nucleus, this is circular orbits around the nucleus. Means around in an atom around the nucleus infinite number of orbits. Infinite number of orbits around the nucleus which have fixed amount of energy. That's why they are called main energy cell. In some orbits के पास fixed amount of energy है. That's why they are called main energy cell. Main energy cell. And the distance from the nucleus is increases. Means main energy cells की जो distance है from the nucleus it will be increases. And these are represented by numbers that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And these numbers are called principal quantum number, which we will discuss in the next video when we discuss the quantum number. These numbers are called n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And this is called principal quantum number. These main energy cells also designated by some capital letters K, L, M, N, O, P and so on. Means K, L, M, N, O, P and so on. And the energy of each circular orbit is E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6 and so on. And the energy increases from innermost orbit to the outermost orbit. Means अगर हम energy का level देखें तो which one have more energy level? Then E6 have more energy level than E5, then E4, E3, E2 and then E1. Means when we move from innermost orbit to the outermost orbit, the energy level increases and the distance from the nucleus is also increases. And these circular orbits are called main energy cell because they have fixed amount of energy. And these are represented by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These numbers are called principal quantum number and these are also designated by K, L, M, N, O, P and so on. आइए इसके कॉन्सेप्ट लिखते हैं. सेकेंड postulate, in an atom infinite number of orbits present which have fixed amount of energy called as main energy cell. Called as main energy cell. Main energy cell. These orbits are represented by n, that is principal quantum number. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 and also designated by K, L, M, N, O dash dash dash. So this is the second postulates of the Bohr atomic model. Now the third postulates of the Bohr atomic model. The third postulates of the Bohr atomic model is that while revolving around the nucleus, electron neither lost nor gained energy. Means this is nucleus, this is the main energy cell or orbits, and in this electrons are revolved. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और रिवॉल्व. तो कहता यह है कि जब इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व करेगा अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस, दे नाइदर लॉस नॉर गेन एनर्जी. व्हाई दिस विल हैपन? एक्चुअली इलेक्ट्रॉन उन्हीं ऑर्बिट्स में रिवॉल्व करता है जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन की एनर्जी उस सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट्स की एनर्जी के इक्विवेलेंट हो. मींस अगर हमने फर्स्ट सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट्स की एनर्जी को कैलकुलेट कर लिया, तो दिस एनर्जी इज आल्सो फॉर द फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन। मींस अगर मैं सेकंड एनर्जी लेवल की एनर्जी को कैलकुलेट कर लिया, देन दिस एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू द एनर्जी ऑफ सेकंड ऑर्बिट्स। सो while revolving around the nucleus, electron neither loss or gain energy, and this orbit are called stationary orbit. Stationary orbit. And one more thing, electrons revolve those orbit in which its energy is equal to the orbit's energy. मीन्स समझ बात आ गई होगी कि when electron revolve around the nucleus, it's neither loss nor gain energy, and its energy is equal to the its orbit in which it revolves. Now the fourth postulate of the Bohr's atomic model. Fourth postulate: when electron lose or gain energy, means actually this is nucleus, this is circular orbits around the nucleus. These are also called stationary orbit because they have in which electron revolve, it neither loss or gain energy. That's why it is called stationary orbit. Clear? This orbit have innermost E1 energy, E2 energy, E3 energy, E4 energy, dash dash dash. If electron change its state, means from one energy level to another energy level, then it gain or lose energy. Let's see here. मान लीजिए कि इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व कर रहा है अराउंड फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट, अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस इन द फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट. It gain energy and then electron become excited and goes to the higher energy state. क्योंकि मैंने बताया आपको कि इलेक्ट्रॉन उन्हीं ऑर्बिट्स में घूमता है, उन्हीं ऑर्बिट्स में रिवॉल्व करता है जिसमें उसकी एनर्जी उस सेल की एनर्जी के इक्वल हो. जब बाहर से एनर्जी मिलेगी तो उसकी एनर्जी इतनी ज्यादा हो जाएगी कि उसकी सेल की एनर्जी के बराबर होगी ही नहीं. तो दैट्स व्हाई दे बिकम गेट एक्साइटेड एंड गोस टू द हायर एनर्जी लेवल, and after 10 to the power minus 8 second they come back. Means electron goes and then come back to its original state and then it lose energy. Lose energy. Let's see here. When electron change its state, then it lose or gain energy. Gain energy. When it gain energy, it become excited and goes to the higher energy level, and after 10 to the power minus 8 second electron come back to its original state. So what is the amount of energy they become lose? That is delta E is equal to final state means EF minus EI. Delta E is equal to change in energy. EF final energy of orbit. EI, that is initial orbit energy, right? Means when electron, that is here in this case electron is present in the first orbit and when it gain energy, then it gets excited, that is the final state. The amount of energy is lose or gain is equal to the delta E is equal to EF minus EI, right? So this is the fourth postulates of the Bohr's atomic model. Now the fifth postulate of Bohr's atomic model. Fifth postulate. As electron revolve around the nucleus, electron revolve around those orbits in which its angular momentum is equal to the whole number integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. क्या मतलब है इसका? This is electron. Electron have some mass and they have some radius r from the nucleus. They move with velocity v. Then, according to fifth postulates, electron revolve in those circular orbit in which its angular momentum is integral multiple of whole number, whole number momentum is, its angular momentum is whole number integral of s upon 2 pi. That is mvr is equal to mh upon 2 pi. What is the m? M is equal to mass of electron. V is equal to velocity of electron. R is equal to radius of orbit. H is equal to Planck constant and have value 6.64 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is called principle of quantization of angular momentum. This is called principle of quantization of angular momentum. So this is all about the 5 postulates of Bohr atomic model, right?